Hey guys! Welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. For today's Lightroom tutorial, I will show you how to create this filter. Requested by 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗁𝗍𝗁. If you want to download the preset, I will put a link in the description box for you to download. DNG file is protected by a password, and it will appear separately as a YouTube card on the upper corner of your screen. Password is divided into 3. Combine all to unlock the download. For mobile user, to be able to see the password, make sure to use YouTube app instead of the browser. Requested by 𝗬𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗁𝗍𝗁. Here's the before and after photos using this Lightroom preset.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
Keep in mind that not all presets works on every photo. Feel free to play with the basic settings to get better results.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over,